just need excuses. ऐसे सारी स्कीम में बता देना तू. Hi and welcome back to Aquism. Today is a very special video. With me I have my best friend Peter Panda. Shreya Shetty. Okay, so all those who don't know her, I don't know what you're doing on my social platforms because she's clearly everywhere there. She is my college friend and we literally, like, our friendship story is we met on the balcony on the first day of orientation and tab se we haven't stopped talking. It's crazy.
Such a Romeo and Juliet on the balcony.
If you were a guy, this would be like a boyfriend tag. Okay, so today we're going to do a best friend video because I wanted to do this for a very long time, and since she's not been in any of my videos yet, I thought I have to do it with her.
Why? Why have I not been there?
Because I'm too busy being behind the camera, so it is such a task to pull her in front of the camera. Okay. So we are going to play Most Likely To. This game has been tried and tested in my family parties and all the birthday parties that I was a part of for during video calls, and it was a hit. So I thought, why not do it on my channel? And we're going to ask each other who is most likely to do this certain thing, and we'll just point at each other. Also, I wanted to say that we will get points for every time we both point at the same person. And by the end of the video,
So who gets the point? Do you get the point?
No, we both, as our
Oh.
friendship, like our friendship
okay.
gets the points.
Basically, we know each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have added wine in the mix because then cheers. She always has this thing, okay? She'll just start drinking without saying anything.
I got said I did not drink it.
So that's why we added wine to the mix because I feel that honesty will come even more. Okay, so we're going to start. Cheers. Let's drink to that. Warm wine. We forgot to chill it. Okay. First question is most likely to act on a crush. 1, 2. You have to wait. Yeah. Okay. It's me. Anytime I have a crush, I will write poems, write letters to the person, and even Chris Evans has received a drunk text from me. That's the story for next time. Most likely to bark in public. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, by the way, before
Hey, we'll not do 1, 2, 3. Just do.
just
the
point.
question.
Okay. Most likely to be late to a class. 1. Oh, okay.
You have to just point.
I need order and discipline in my life. Okay, next. Most likely to be the first to get drunk on a night out. It's me, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, my capacity is shit. Next. Most likely to smudge all their makeup before something important.
What? You. No.
Yeah.
One though I don't really put that much makeup often also.
Yeah.
Okay, I very occasionally if I'm feeling up to it. But smudging makeup is your literally your trademark. She would have barely put her eyeliner 5 minutes back and she's like,
Yeah. I don't know why, I completely forget that मैंने eyeliner डाला, and the thing is my inspiration is Peter Panda, so I want to look like him. So I'm like, I might just do it myself.
her soul animal, she's getting it all out.
Yeah, it just comes out. Okay, most likely to shave their head for some reason.
Yeah.
She is like, I just want to feel free. I want to feel air on my head. Most likely to spend too much time online.
Online, definitely her.
I am a social
Best
titali. Forget titli, I'm a social leech. Okay. Most likely to catch feelings after a one night stand. First of all, nobody does one night stand amongst us. We're very nice bachas. Parents watching, we're nice bachas. We don't do that. This is most likely to scenario, like hypothetical. Me.
Yeah.
Also, no, I feel like the reason I catch feels is like something as simple. Somebody does something as sweet as writing a poem for me.
Yeah.
I will be like,
I mean, I think it would kind of depend on how good that one night stand has been as well. Like not in that sense, like in emotional sense as well.
Mummy watching this is good. Most likely to catfish someone on the internet. We will not tell the fake profile or what it is, but it's a fun thing I do for time pass. I have an alternate life, guys. I have an alternate life. Okay, most likely to be tired of their partner after 2 weeks. It is.
Definitely me.
She is. You know, if you have watched Indian matchmaking, this is Aparna, guys. Meet Aparna.
Why? What the fuck? What?
I
No.
loved her. I loved her character.
No.
She's like, do we have to see our husbands all the time?
Okay. The way she said it was extremely mean, and a lot of things that she said was really max mean. But yes, I agree. You don't have to see them all the time. Yeah, not please. I'm not that attitude. I am very sweet. Okay.
Most likely to wander off on their own on a night out.
Me. I have done it.
She's done it.
Yeah. Gone for a solo trip and everything with roaming around. So yeah.
Gone. We are chilling. She's walking away. Okay, where you go? She's that person, you know, there's this Twitter thread that was there ki, do you know what you did last night? You were looking at my cat and you were like, Professor McGonagall! Professor McGonagall! That's her. Most likely to watch a romantic movie with a crush. I've done it, guys. I watched 365 days.
I would say less of romantic and more other things, but yeah.
No, but I saw 365 days because I wanted that person to watch my review as well. So, उसके बाद फिर review देखा. I got great. People said it was a great review. Guys, if you haven't seen it, I will add the card here. I've always wanted to add cards on YouTube. Now I've mentioned my other videos. Okay. Most likely to watch a horror movie alone at night. I love everything horror, guys, and she's afraid of everything horror.
So I will watch it, but I need somebody along with me because I hear really random strange noises every time.
That's
after
your
the
head.
movie.
That's your demons in your head going.
Yeah, but it is still there.
Most likely to get in a fight.
Me.
And it'll be because of me.
Yeah. I think more like 30-40% of the fights in the last 7 years has been where you are also involved in it.
Yeah, it's because of me. She'll go and fight people for me because I'm too scared to fight or confront people. So if somebody's treated me bad, she'll like, how dare you? How you want beat up? She'll do that. I'll be like, I will insert the meme where I think it's her. You know, there's this mom carrying the son, and she's like, this is her. Most likely to get arrested.
Me because of her.
Because I'm too fragile to last in jail.
She'll probably just murder somebody and she'll call me like, Shreya, I just murdered somebody. I don't know how to clean these things up. So
We'll have to like do that. Yeah, that is true. And because she cleaned it up, she'll get arrested. Most likely to lie to get out of trouble.
Me.
She lies very well. Huh? Like, she should open a consultancy agency where people come with their situations.
I have given people advice on lying also.
Yeah, and she gives
And
like
it's foolproof.
foolproof. So she should open this consultancy where people come with their problems and like, dude, मैं क्या बोलूँ मेरी girlfriend ना मेरे को एक बार पकड़ लिया and all that. And she's like, बालक 10,000 रुपए transfer कर दो और आपका problem छू बनता है.
Sorry, but my services are free at the moment.
At the moment, but I'm not giving it to you. I will charge money.
You will charge money for my
I will give it to you, not the money. Most likely to say the truth no matter what. That is also her.
Yeah.
Actually, that is also her. So see,
It is, I think, truth I will say no matter what with you.
Yeah. Not with other people.
Yeah, and at least when it really matters, yeah.
Yeah, so for important things, yes. I am somebody who looks at the situation and thinks that, okay, is this person equipped enough to deal with the truth? If not, I would save them the trouble and not tell it to them, because I feel like a lot of times saying the truth to an idiot is more damaging than saying a lie to them. So it's just easier.
Then she'll come and ask me for the lie.
What to tell lie? Okay, most likely. Most likely to become a divorcee.
Me? Why you?